Matt, the mortgage guy here, recording a quick video. It's that time of year again, tax time, where I'm getting a bunch of tax related questions from past clients, borrowers, especially those who closed a home loan in 2019. Tax preparer, I'm filing my 2019 taxes, and I think I need some documents from you. What are those documents? So, I am not a CPA. I'm not a tax advisor. Please consult your tax advisor for any high-level questions, but I'll tell you from a mortgage professional's perspective what I know you're going to need to bring to the tax preparer. Two things on the mortgage side. One, your final settlement statement. That comes from the title company when you close your loan. If you don't have a copy, reach out to whoever closed your loan, whether that be the title company or the mortgage professional. Mortgage professionals should be able to, if they keep good records and they've got good databases like we do, email the title company, CC you, say, hey, I need the final settlement statement for 123 Main Street, and get that to you. The other thing you want to look out for, by the end of January, whoever was servicing your mortgage should have sent you a 1098, and that's a mortgage interest statement. It just says how much interest you paid in 2019. That goes to your tax preparer, as that's a tax deduction. So 1098 from the mortgage company, final settlement statement from title or from your mortgage professional if they're easier to get a hold of and you don't have title's information handy. Those two things. Happy tax filings, and any other questions mortgage related, please feel free to reach out. Until next time.